Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Bhargav Teja. In this video, we will learn how to sort the words by length in a line. Now let us take a test case. Input is Java is a very good programming language. Here the first letter in the line is J, which is capital letter, and at the end of the line we are finding full stop. Now we will go to the procedure. How to solve this problem? First, convert the words in line to lowercase and split the line into words without last character, which is full stop, and store the words into array and sort the words by length. And constraint is if the length is same, then the first occurred word is as kept first, and at last we need to print the result with the starting letter as capital, and at the end of the line it should contain full stop. Now we will start solving the problem. I am taking class as sorting words. We need to keep the class name should be capital. After that I am typing main method syntax. The input is line, so that's why we need to create string and we need to take input. For taking input we need to use scanner class, which is in util package. For taking input we need to create object for scanner class. As the input is line, we need to use next line method. Make sure the line starting letter should be capital. Now we have taken the input, but we need to convert. The first condition is to convert the words into smaller case. That's why we need to use two lowercase method. After that we need to split the words in the character without the last character. For storing that we need to use substring method from length 0 to length -1, because the input contains full stop, so that's why we need to use from starting to last letter, which is E. Now we have successfully stored the words. Now we need to create an array to store the words in a line. We need to use array to store the words of the line. For storing the words we need to use split method whenever it contains space in it. Now we have successfully stored the words. After that now we need to sort the words based on its length, so that's why I need a for loop. As str is a array, so we need to use length variable. We will use length brackets for string, but for array we need to use length variable. After that I need another variable, temp variable. After declaring temp variable I need another for loop until string less than -1 j++. For last word we don't need to compare because the last word doesn't contains another word to compare. If str.j.length is greater than str of j plus 1.length, we need to use to interchange that. I am storing the str of j value in temp variable, and str of j value consists str of j plus 1 value and str of j plus 1 value consists of temp variable. Now close the if condition and close the for loops. Now we have successfully sorted. Now we will check once output. I am iterating a for loop until last. In that I am gonna print. We need to use print because we need the output in the same line. Now close the for loop, main condition and class. Now save it with sort words dot java. Open command prompt and change the directory to desktop and type javac space sort words dot java. Sorry, I have forgot that we need to use s dot length -1. Now we will try to execute. It has successfully compiled. Now we will execute. Java is a good programming language. We have got the output, but we are forgetting the starting character and ending character. Now we will change this. I am storing the everything in the result variable, so we can change that. I am declaring here string variable which contains null. Now we have successfully stored the values in result variable, but the starting letter is not correct, so that's why I am using the same thing, storing the value from 0 to length -1, but the starting value should be stored before it. So that's why I am creating another variable called string ch, which contains the starting character. As it is the lower variable, we need to convert into the uppercase. How we can convert? I am converting the ch variable into the integer and adding the lowercase ASCII value is 97, but whereas the uppercase letter starting value is 65. So the difference between those two are 32. So that's why we need to subtract the value 92 from 32 from the character. After subtracting that, we need to convert that value to character and add that character into the starting value, and substring value should be started from 1 up to the last character. Now we have stored. Now at last we need to add full stop at the last of the result, and now we will print the output. Now save it, and now we will execute it. We have got incompatible types. Now we will check it once. The character and typecast it into the character. Now we will try to execute it once again. It has been compiled successfully. It is waiting for input. Now we will copy this input. A is the problem. We have got the problem regarding space here. Now how can we solve this problem? After storing it, we will add result plus space. So now it won't be any problem for us. I am pasting it. So we have solved the problem successfully. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
All we need is somebody to lean on.